Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add color half a page in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add color half a page. Go to the insert menu and click shapes. Then draw a rectangle shapes half on this page. Then click the shape and go to the format menu and change the fill color. You choose any color in this color panel. Then go to the shape outline and select no outline. Now we can see in this page added half a page color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.